Good morning, sunshines. This morning I'm going to show you how to make frambled eggs, which is really a mixture of fried eggs and scrambled eggs, and they're a little bit different, but every time somebody eats them, they're like, how do you make these? I didn't realize it was a process until I thought about it, so here's how. We're going to start with a little bit of butter in your pan. Mine's already heated up a little bit. We're going to add the butter in. You could use bacon grease too. And the super important thing about scrambled eggs is that you crack them in the pan. You don't put them in a bowl. So I'm going to crack them, and I'm going to put them right in the pan. And I'm actually going to let them fry for just a second. So you want to see the white. You want to see the sunny part of the egg. Eggs are so great because they're really cheap and they're protein, and if you're on a super cheap budget, there's so many things you can do with them. So I've got my eggs here. They're starting to fry a little bit, and I'm going to start mixing them. Ready? Scramble! I'm going to chop them. I'm going to salt them and pepper them. Well, they're still kind of scrambling. I don't want to leave them in long. I kind of want to keep it moving. And the other important thing about making really good scrambled eggs is you don't want them to get too dry. So you want to pull scrambled eggs or scrambled eggs out right before they're ready, which means they're still a little bit soft. They look a little bit wet even, which is right about now. So they're right before they're ready. I'm going to pull them off and put them on a plate because they will keep cooking. Happy cooking.